fall, we start talking more, because soaked hearts spill out first. It's a night that makes you wanna ask, who's right, who's winning? But speaking well isn't raising your voice. It's quietly untangling what got knotted. This isn't the time to pull out an answer. Rain falls just so we can get wet. Speaking well isn't about beating the other person. It's letting scattered hearts breathe again. The wind doesn't fight, it only changes direction. Stepping aside until the situation loosens. Today I know that's what conversation is. When snow begins to fall, the world slows down. Hasty words leave footprints behind, not forcing strategy into the stage of emotion, not lingering in tears when it's time to design. In the white silence, roles separate. The observer watches, the designer waits. Before, let's not put two people into one sentence. Hearts grow heavy when they overlap. Speaking well isn't about winning, it's letting the situation solve itself. The wind doesn't explain, it simply makes a path. Are usually mixed up, placing conclusions on words still wet, adding emotion to words already moving. And so we kept slipping. Rain stops at stability, snow puts things in place. Wind leaves just the next step. Emotion needs only quiet, strategy needs only was spoken